Here's some tips on how you can maintain your EGR RollTrac so it's always performing at its best. The first thing to do is to open the canister inspection panels. The second step is to close the EGR RollTrac. The third step is to find the snail-shaped spirals at either end of the canister and spray those spirals with silicone spray. Don't go spraying silicone spray up and down your side rails, just do it on the spiral, and when your EGR RollTrac is in its normal operation, when it goes back into the canister, it's lubricating itself. Another very important seal to clean on your EGR RollTrac is the side rail glide seal. It's the small rubber fin seal that runs the full length of your EGR RollTrac side rail. Give that a bit of a clean with a cloth, make sure there's no debris, sand or dirt stuck to it. Part of the tech on your EGR RollTrac is there's a micro switch in the handrail and a contact sensor in the end cap. These two meet and they tell the EGR RollTrac when it's time to stop moving. Every now and then these get dirty. Grab a can of contact cleaner, give them a spray, make sure no debris is covering them, and then they should be operating perfectly. Across the top of the EGR RollTrac is the canister cover. This is right at the front. Now there's a small felt seal that runs across the full width of the EGR RollTrac so that when the EGR RollTrac opens, it usually pushes sticks and leaves backwards to stop it from going in the canister. However, sometimes small items may make its way into the canister. We suggest you open the canister inspection panels, put your hand in there, pull out any debris just to make sure it's all clean and tidy. We hope that these maintenance and troubleshooting videos have helped you today.